how to stretch your split. Hello everyone, today I will show you how to stretch your splits and how to do that beautiful and with good warm up. So stay with me if you want to do good. So first what you will do, we will get sit in this position and we will try to take our leg on ourselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay in this position, take 2 hands and try pushing it more for yourself but with your right back, okay? So guys, stay with me because now I will show you how to do right this exercise, which not everyone to say you how to do it right, okay? So we do not like that and not like that. We will try pushing and to push. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then we will get sit in this side and try to take our leg in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Amazing work. Then try take your hand in this side and push it. 1, 2, and stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take 2 legs together. Slowly relax and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will hope that you like it, subscribe me, take me likes, and go watching my another videos because there is a lot of good information for your beautiful splits. So bye bye.